Come on, Ben. Way!
It's the biggest event in the sporting calendar for these veteran bowlers in Leeds. And the sun was shining as the annual over-90s Crown Green Bowls competition got underway.
It's a beautiful game. A beautiful game. You meet some wonderful people.
It's good exercise, there's good friends, and it keeps me active.
What's going through your mind when you're on the bowling green?
What's going through my mind?
Yes.
I want to get near it, Jack.
That's that.
Among those competing today, husband and wife Jean and Eric Bedford, hoping their daily stretches will give them the edge. Last year's winner, Dennis Jackson, thinks Guinness has made him strong. Arthur Lewis is known for his steady hand, and fellow competitor Bill Reynolds always has a nip of whiskey before a big game. And finally, 99-year-old Jack Barstow is the oldest competitor. He attributes his success to a strict diet of Italian food. Jack gets off to a decent start in the competition.
Come on, Jack.
But despite our support, it doesn't end as well as he'd hoped.
I've lost one, yes.
That's not so good, is it?
That's very bad. I must try harder next time.
So there's a quick break now before the semi-finals get underway, and I've discovered my favourite part of Crown Green Bowls. And what's that, Madge?
And that's a nice cup of tea and a piece of cake.
It is indeed. Are you having a nice time, Bill?
I'm having a lovely time.
Cheers.
At 90 years old, Bill is the youngest competitor, but he admits he's not quite as sharp as he used to be.
Is that your lucky hat?
Is that your lucky hat?
Bill.
Hey?
Is that your lucky hat?
Looking?
Hats? Is that your lucky?
hat?
What's wrong with it?
No!
Back on the green, and the weather has taken a turn for the worse. Some spectators remain steadfastly in their seats, but it soon becomes clear the competition will have to be abandoned.
Well, sadly, the heavens have opened here in Leeds. Even the hardiest of athletes would struggle to compete on a green as soggy as this. So it's an early supper for all of us here. Nicola Rees, BBC Look North in Leeds.